All right, so thank you very much. So the contestants here are competing for $3,000 by answering multiple choice math questions. They get points for getting it right. They don't lose points for getting it wrong, so there's no harm in guessing. The questions will get harder as we go along, and as we'll actually get to it as we go along. The top prize in the game is $1,000, and then there's a bonus question worth $2,000. So that's how they can win $3,000. And so what we'll do is let you know who the sponsors are. And so MapleSoft is a mathematical software company. They're our technology sponsor. Texas Instruments, as you know, makes graphing calculators. They're one of our sponsors. John Wiley & Sons, the publisher, is a sponsor, as is the American Mathematical Society, who I work for. They donate books and some money. And the prizes that the 6 contestants are playing for, 6th place will be a book published by the AMS, What's Happening in the Mathematical Sciences, Volume 9, so that's the latest volume, and it tells you, believe it or not, what's going on in math, both pure and applied. 5th place will win the Armel Power Contest, not the contest itself, but it's a book about the power. It has problems from the power contest. That's the American Regions Mathematics League. 4th place will win Mathematics Everywhere, another book published by the AMS, so those last 3 books are published by the AMS, and this one explains all sorts of nice things about mathematics and how it is everywhere. In case you're wondering, that is not the title of the latest horror movie. It is a book, and we wouldn't even say that at National Math Fest Days. And then 3rd place will win the calculus book from John Wiley & Sons, and we'll also donate the forklift so you can carry it home. 2nd place will win Maple 2015. That's the latest software from MapleSoft. It does linear algebra, differential equations, calculus algebra, some very powerful software. And then 1st place will win the TI Inspire CX, the graphing calculator from Texas Instruments, and $1,000, and then a chance at the $2,000 bonus question. So you want to make eye contact with the person you think is going to win that, so that they might be your friends afterwards. And so now we'll tell you who you're going to be making eye contact with. The contestants in alphabetical order, so it's from my left to right, so you're right to left. It's Kyle right here, Kyle Gatesman from Thomas Jefferson High School for Science and Technology. I should point out that when the contestants are thinking about a question or working on the question, then it's good to be quiet and not make any noise. But when we're introducing them or after the question, feel free to applaud and scream and holler all you want. So that would be now. So next to Kyle is Stephen Greenberg from William High School. And then Erica Lynn from Richard Montgomery High School. Jack Lindsay from here in DC, St. Albans School. Cynthia Liu from Montgomery Blair High School. And Thomas Rona from Poolsville High School. So we have four contestants from Maryland, 1 from Virginia, and 1 from DC. And so they're all very close to here. And so just so you see how the game's going to work, we'll do a practice question, and that's what we're doing now. And so the contestants, you should signal in on this, but it's not going to count against you or for you. So in Washington, D.C., the D.C. stands for A, Dick Cheney, B, the District of Columbia, C, the Department of Justice, or D, Donut and Coffee. And so we'll see how the practice question went. Everyone knew that it was the District of Columbia. Very good. So as we say in the math game show industry, let's get rid of that figure! And play Who Wants to Be a Mathematician? Here we go. Real thing now, even though this might be an easy one. Which of the following best approximates the shape of the floor of the Oval Office? Is it an ellipse, a triangle, a square, or a pentagon? See how question 1 went for 100 points? Everyone knew it was an ellipse? Very good.